Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm starting out in the air drill with the 8430 here. I got 2 laps around this big field in front of the farm done last night. So I'm going to put a 3rd on and then put a 4th on the road, and then I'll start me an AB line and go back and forth. I'm going to do this until Jacob gets here, and then it's going to dry out where I'm planting corn at, so it'll give it a little bit of time to dry out there before I start. So I'm just going to do this for a little bit, and then eventually I'm going to get out there to plant corn. So hopefully we can accomplish a bunch today. Jacob should get this all done here, and I'm not really sure where he's going to go next. Oh, he's going to another field pretty close to here. It's a decent sized field. So I'm going to start planting here, and then I'll get back with you once we get going. Alright, so we're on auto steer now, so we're just going along. Planting about 135 to 140. That's right where I want it at. I got it pretty well set last night. I'm going 1700 RPM. Maybe you can see it, and going about 4.5 miles an hour. It's about right on where I want it to be because of the fact that the airway was run over this, so at least some kind of bumps. But anyways, so it's running okay. This is a little bit different from the corn planter because it's only half the size of the corn planter. So this one's 30 foot and the planter's 60 foot. So yeah, there's a bit of a difference. I think it's playing okay this morning. I'll be able to tell a little bit better once I get turned around and the sun's not to my back. So we'll just have to see how it goes. But everything's working. We got everything set last night. It's working out okay. So, anyways, we're just gonna keep planting along here until Jacob gets here, and then we'll see if we can go plant corn. Alright, so we're finally out here planting corn, and I just got done flying the drone, so I guess we're going to shoot you up and into the drone. So, cueing drone footage now. So, I just finished here in this field. Finally, after like 3 days, like 3 continuous days of, you know what I mean, 3 days that I even got into the field. So, anyways, we're done finally with this field, and so I guess I'm gonna move down south. So we're moving down to some. Well, we're gonna do some custom acres that we gotta get done. So that's kind of down by another one of our farms. So we're gonna do that first because I have no fertilizer, and we're not putting fertilizer on that field. So I'll just do that while I'm waiting for them to come get me fertilizer. So that'll work out okay. So I think that's about 50 acres down there that I got to do, and then I'll have another. I'm not really sure, a decent amount at our field that we have down there. So, anyways, we're gonna head down there. It's a decent trip down there, so I'll see you when I get down there and we get going. Alright, so I just made it down here. I went back there and I took the chain off of the fertilizer pump, or the actual wheel that turns, so now it won't put out any fertilizer or anything. So we're all good to go there. And now I'm gonna start on this field here. This goes way down there, the other end, and it comes right here. And then there's another field on the side of that little creek there. So see how much I get done with the amount of seed I have. Dad should probably be down here sometime soon to fill me up with seed, because there's literally no cell phone service down here, so we have no clue. So anyways, so I'm just gonna get started planting here, and then hopefully everything goes good. Alright, so I got done with all that stuff down there that wasn't ours. So, you know, up here at some of our ground, it's pretty well near where I was. I just filled up with seed and I filled up with fertilizer, so I'm ready to go for a while. I shouldn't run out of seed in this entire field that I'm in. Let me see exactly how many acres this field is. I just gotta go through here and find where we're at. Let's see. We're looking for Yarn. There we are. Anyways, let's see how many acres this is. The sun is really bright coming in from that way. Let's see. It is 80 acres exactly, so, or 81 acres exactly. So anyways, we're gonna get started on this. It's not one big field. There's a few little fields. This is the biggest one I'm starting in here, and there's a little terrace up above there. There's a little terrace right there, and then there's a field on the other side of that woods there, and then there's a field on the other side of the road over there. So it's kind of split up, but this is the biggest part of it, and we're pretty well ready to go. This is going to be a good bed to plant into. Dad got this sprayed. It's all dead. It's good height and everything, so this is going to plant perfect. I got my depth pretty well set down there at the other field, and I was going pretty good, so I think I'm going to leave it. I was planting right at 2 inches, so it was doing perfect. So I guess I'm going to back around here in this corner and get started, and then start going back and forth. Alright guys, so it is 10:30, and I guess I'm gonna quit for the night. I got this field done, the biggest part of this field done, so I'll get those in the little fields in the morning, and then I'll move to a 100-acre field and hopefully get that done tomorrow, and then we'll see where we go from there. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.